Oh, yes. So, yeah, I just remembered that I told you about how maybe there's a pandemic coming. Very likely. I don't know how much I can do about that, but likely there should be a pandemic coming your way. And this one is not like COVID-19. It will be, oh God, deadly. No cure, and no one can escape. If too much bad karma, then you can't escape. Only good people can escape. You, my God's disciples, will escape. But do not slack because I say that. You still continue to be diligent. I will do my best to save humans and animal people from this tragedy. God mercy. Even if you over-practice and you have more merit than you need to go home, then you still can bless the world, your parents, your family, your clan members, and the world around you. I don't know when the disaster or pandemic will come. I don't always know the exact date because humans' hearts keep changing and humans' karma is changing also.
Well, could the next pandemic make the height of the COVID-19 outbreak look mild? That's what some experts are predicting for what's being called Disease X.
Disease X is a legitimate health scare, the next unknown disease of epidemic potential. This term was formalized by the WHO in 2018. It was named X because of the lack of knowledge about it. It's not known what this disease will be, whether it will jump from animals to humans, or whether it will be a mysterious lab creation. But one thing scientists are certain about is this: Disease X is coming. They don't know when, they don't know how. What they do know is that it could be far worse than the Wuhan virus, that it could cause more deaths than the Wuhan virus, and that it could take us years to recover from it. This is how the WHO defined the disease. It said, Disease X represents the knowledge that a serious international epidemic could be caused by a pathogen currently unknown to cause human disease. In May this year, the chief of the World Health Organization issued a warning. He said, the planet should be ready for a disease deadlier than COVID. That a doomsday COVID variant with the power to send the world back to square one is still a big possibility. Allow me now to quote his exact statement. The threat of another variant emerging that causes new surges of disease and death remains, and the threat of another pathogen emerging with even deadlier potential remains. 4 months since this warning was issued, scientists the world over are talking about this. This includes Kate Bingham, who served as the chair of the UK's vaccine task force. She says, we need to prepare for Disease X because it could be more perilous than COVID-19. Let me now take you through her claims one by one. The scientist says that this disease, Disease X, could have a similar impact as a devastating Spanish flu of 1918. 2. Disease X could potentially result in up to 50 million more deaths. 3. The disease could emerge from the millions of viruses that are yet to be discovered. 4. It may take scientists a whole lot of time to develop vaccines that can fight this disease. Now, here's the thing. While preventive measures could help, but without knowing what exactly these measures are aimed at, will be like shooting an arrow in the dark. I mean, no one in the scientific community has been really able to say with clarity where this disease could emerge from and what exactly could cause it. And this makes fighting it all the more difficult.
Perhaps it doesn't take... I mean, I always think that my writing is very clear already.
Can you change the label so we can find this kind of one?
The upper estimate is 100 million deaths in 1918. This time it may be 400 million people died. That is a really horrendous number. And I hope that governments will really take on these challenges.
So just be prepared, yeah? As I said to you already. Teach your children to find shelter if they are in a vulnerable situation or not at home. Slowly train your dog people to go quickly in the bathroom instead of going out all the time. You can train them slowly or One day in the house, another day in the bathroom, in the house with the pad, or just in the bathrooms better. Do something in there, smear something smelly of their waste so that they can smell it and they know it's their place. Tell them, they understand everything. And maybe one day, just one time in the bathroom, and slowly, and then 2 times, 3 times, and they get used to it. And when something happens, tell them we cannot go out because it's dangerous outside. They will understand. Tell them that they should train themselves in the bathroom. They will understand everything. Give them a treat if they do it in the bathroom, so they know it's a good thing to do. Okay? And then slowly they can also do it all the time in the bathroom without a treat. And when you take them out, it's just for pleasure. And they will be safe. And keep food in the house. I already told you before. And when you go out, you wear mask. Even nowadays. It will not hurt you. If you can, if it's not too trouble or irritating for you. If you're not afraid other people laugh at you or ridicule you or anything. It's your life, not their lives, okay?